My name is Kris Andersen. From a very young age, I really liked creating stuff with my hands. My dad had an old wood shop and I spent a lot of time out there, so naturally, as a grown-up, I would also have my own wood shop. You never really master wood because every piece of wood is different and you have to sort of approach it in a different way, and you have to be careful not to stress it too hard. Finding that balance between being delicate but also at the same time bending into the shape that you want it to become. I think a lot of the woodworking aspect for me is about creating stuff. And that's actually also what I like at work, creating as an engineer, solving new challenges. Ørsted as a company, creating these wind farms so you actually do something good for the world, that's really appealing to me. One of the good ways that you can grow as an engineer is not only the technical aspects, but it's also your ability to take ownership of the work, and you'll get a lot of responsibility. And furthermore, also not being afraid to challenge yourself. And within Ørsted, you'll get a lot of different challenges. I try and set clear strategic targets for the team, seeing the purpose of what we're doing or why we're doing the work we need to do. I think that's very important. And similarly, I try and set clear goals for each team member. I believe if you have a 5-year goal, the easiest way to get there is to get 20% of the way every year until you're there. I remember coming into the workplace, I thought that my career would be a straight line, sort of from A to B. But after having worked, and especially within the offshore wind industry, it's definitely not. It'll take you some very interesting places that you never really imagined. So keeping a very open mind to new challenges and taking on those challenges will enable you to go some places that you didn't really think would be possible. My name is Kris Andersen. I'm a geotechnical engineer at Ørsted.